Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a drop-down menu or a drop-down list. I'm just gonna share with you a simple example. In this tab we have few questions. We have around 3 questions here. So if you want to send this questionnaire to your employees for them to add answers, the answer can be as simple as yes or no. So instead of typing yes or no, you can just add a drop-down list. This drop-down list will allow anybody to choose from the options. Instead of typing, you can just click the drop-down menu and choose the answer you need. So let's get started. So in order to add a drop-down menu, first you need to select the data you want to be included in the drop-down menu. So the answers we want to include here can be yes, no, and maybe NA, not applicable. You need to choose where the drop-down menu. You need to choose where you want the drop-down menu to be, in what cell. So in this example, I want it to be in B3. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to data validation, and then I'm gonna choose list, and then I will choose the data I want to be included in the drop-down menu. Click enter, then gonna click OK. Now we have the drop-down menu created with the options or the answers we chose to include. So it can be yes, it can be no, and you can just copy the data list or the drop-down menu, the drop-down list, to other cells, as simple as that. So you can, in order to answer the questions, you can say yes, you have the experience, you can say no, and maybe you can select NA for this question. That's about it for this video. If you want to learn more about the drop-down menu or the drop-down list, please watch the other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.